Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about data validation and I'm going to create drop down list. First of all, I should select the range or the column. So I select this and I come to data validation, and here I select the list, and here we can write the names and also we can select also from. Okay, I want to write the name. I write tx comma, I should separate with comma, and after that NYC. I have Texas and New York City, and okay, you can see I have drop down list here. So we had like two options here, so it's sometimes we have more. So I want to apply here. So first of all, I want to make a sheet, like a helper sheet. I create a sheet here and come here, select this, Control C, I copy this and paste it here. Okay, and also I come here to under, I just type here duplicate, yeah, remove duplicates, and I have the header, yes, and okay. So I remove the duplicates, so I apply here for account manager also. Control C, and I come to the next sheet and paste. Come here to remove duplicate, yes, yeah, continue with the selection, and I have the header, my data has the header, so okay and okay. So I do that for shift mode also. Control C and paste. You know how to remove the duplicates, yes. I'm pretty sure about that. So I just, it's enough for me, I think, and I just rename this as list. And here, when I come here, I want to like apply here the data validation. I select column, I come to data, and here I just click here to the list, and here I just, instead of typing here, I just click here, and after that I come to my list and select this, and okay. So you know, when I come here, I have the drop down list. It's very easy, it's easier than writing, just typing those names. And I want to apply here also the list. I select the column, I come to data validation, I choose the list. After that I come to list and I select account managers, and okay, you can see it works magically. I can choose any of these, and also I want to apply here. Come here, choose the list, and here I just go to the list and select. I don't select the header, you remember that, and okay, you can see it works magically. You know, you can see that I have applied here 1 2 3 or 4. I have applied data validation. So if I want to check this, I just come to home and go to special and data visualizer, data validation, and okay, you can see I have applied here the list. So that's all about the list. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.